we got a new Matic.
Okay, so the boys have been so excited about this one. They've had their eye on a Matic Robot Vacuum for a while. So they're gonna unbox it today. We're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
You ready?
I don't actually know how to open it.
There it is.
Whoa. It's bigger than I expected.
Yeah, it's so cool.
So cool. And there's also thingy. I don't know what this is.
We love when they look a little bit different.
I know, I love it too. What is this?
I don't know.
Oh.
What is it?
3D printed little Matic.
A keychain? Oh, that's so cool.
And it's 3D printed.
Wow.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is so cool.
What-
Roller mop. Oh, we have a 3D. Of course. Googly eyes.
Googly eyes. Oh, how fun.
What is this?
Is that cleaning solution?
It's just so empty.
Yeah.
So many bags. I can't believe they came up with a keychain.
Yeah, you can put it on your backpack.
Oh yeah, I can.
Here, show us the stickers.
Oh, these are the stickers.
So it came with a bunch of stickers so that you can decorate your Matic.
We're gonna do this one.
Yeah. You don't want to make him into a dog?
No, I feel like it's gonna be weird. Okay, let's try to turn this on. Oh yeah, and also I've seen these videos where they put socks in front of it, and then when it gets into it, it plops them out.
That's just a dad's video where it coughs out the sock.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to try that out.
Well, yeah, we definitely have to. What's that? Here's the base. Wow. See the bottom. I don't know if I can. Oh, okay. So there's that right here. That's what it is. See that? Oh, the roller mop. That's what it is. Let's check out the base. The dust base. I mean. Whoa. What? It's so weird. So tiny! Okay.
So cool.
Sorry, okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. I love this. So cool. And by the way, it makes it 10 times better because it's 3D printed.
Yep.
Yeah. It's this. It's the.
Yeah, what is that handle for, Sawyer?
I don't know. Wait, what handle? I don't know. Wait, sorry, can I see that? Is it like for a mini? I think it is.
Wait, it says your name on it? Oh my gosh, hello, Biggs family.
Oh my gosh, it even your name?
That's so cool.
That is the coolest thing. Wait, so you don't have to like bend down.
Oh, is that what it's
Ready
for?
to go. 69%. Let's. Good. Can I do the app to get started?
Alright, should we get the app on the phone?
Ready to go. Why it just says ready to go? It needs to like
Probably needs the map.
lid open.
So, if we move this around, then that's where the Matic goes, right?
Yeah, I guess.
If we go up, then it will go up. Matics can't fly.
Not
What
yet.
about that about?
Charging. 6-7%. While we do that, let's put on these things. Can I have that marker right there?
Suspects.
It looks a little weird.
Did it get a little smudge?
Yeah, it did.
So this is everything that it comes with. Has the robot, the dock, extra roller mop, some cleaning solution,
Even that little kitty.
descaling powder, googly eyes, stickers, and I think this is the declogging tool. It also comes with plenty of extra bags.
You see how fast he moves?
Yeah, he's mapping right now.
Why you double bounce me?
Hey, Matic. Follow me. Hey, Matic. Clean right here. Hey, Matic. Go away.
He's going home. So cool.